In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to check the unit of your QGIS project. When you are working in QGIS, I want to check the units. So let's say I have this project in QGIS. If I want to check the units settings of my QGIS, so come to settings, click on setting, click on option. Then when it opens, comes to map tools. So under map tools, here you can see under measure tools, you can see preferred distance unit is a meter and preferred area unit is in square meter, and you can see the preferred angular unit is in degree. So if you want to change it, you can change it here to kilometer, feet, yard, miles, whichever unit you prefer. So if you want to leave it in metric units, you can leave it in meter or square meter. So this is how to check, so that by the time you do calculations, you will know the units in which the result is given. So to check it, come to settings, come to options, and come to map tools. And under map tools, you see the preferred distance units and the preferred area units and even the angular units. Thank you for watching.